Premchand.
Hello friends, my name is Tukaram Dikshit. Today date is 23 February 2022 and today's Viva topic is Azim Premji success story. Azim Premji is an entrepreneur or philanthropist in India, biggest entrepreneur in India. Not all legends are born with silver spoon in their mouth. Yes, some are born with the rough and troubled times too. One such legend is Azim Premji, who gave who gave success a completely different meaning through his sheer field battle, hard work, dedication, and consistency. So, in this article, we are preliminary going to look into the life of the one of the best Indian philanthropist, entrepreneur, and business tycoon, Mr. Azim Premji, who is the owner of an Indian multinational corporation, Wipro, that provides IT consulting and processes services. We will see Azim Premji's early life. let's take let's take a glimpse of the genius extraordinary journey. Mohan Premji, Azim Premji's father, started his own company in Maharashtra by the name Western India Vegetable Products. This company used to manufacture cooking oil by the name of sunflower oil and laundry soap. Then after completing his schooling in Mumbai, Ajim Premji pursued electrical engineering at Stanford University. He was only 21 years old when he got a call about his father's sudden death. To take over his father's business, he came back to India immediately. We will see Azim Premji's struggles. Once a stakeholder in a company said the Premji out to resign in our earlier meeting. He said the company business is incredibly advanced and extremely complex, and a 21 years old boy can't run it. Before this meeting, Azim Premji was not assured concerning his skill, but after this incident, he assured himself and gained confidence. From then on, he promised himself that the hell leave no stone unturned to grow this company. Then he had no expertise in running the company. The first few years were terribly problems for him. To know more about businesses and understand how things worked in depth, he used to spend most of his time in the factory. Soon he understood everything and started to run the company on his own terms. Then we will see Azim change his successful journey. In The company started making multiple new products after Azim Premji started heading business like electric products, hydraulic cylinders, etc. When IBM left India in 1977, it left a lot of good opportunities behind. Azim Premji took advantages of this opportunity, and his company started manufacturing IT hardware, software, IT services, like etc. Then he changed to the company name to Wipro. Over time, Wipro started making microcomputers. It also started giving software solutions. Then in the year 1989, Azim Premji's company joined hands with the General Electric and started a company by the name of Wiproji Medical System, which manufactured medical imaging products. Soon IT services become Wipro core businesses. Later on, they entered into BPO, that means business processes outsourcing, and increased the product range of the company, and started making product for babies like baby soaps, etc. He made his company one of the biggest company in India, which is sheer hard work, dedication, and clear vision. The company focused on quality and customer satisfaction, and not quality products, thus taking the company to new heights. Thank you. It is all about the Premchandji. Thank you.